Hi guys, my name is Vix. Today learn how to create Amazon account. So simply search any browser, Google browser, Amazon create account. So simply any country, UK, then Australia, Belgium, and I am from Canada. So simply Canada. So simple search and result Amazon FBA Canada. Search the global marketplace. Simply open link in new tab, then result become an Amazon Canada bestseller. Get the most trusted tool for finding, launching and selling Amazon products. Simple sign up, then second option learn more. Simply go through the website, learn more, then how create account on Amazon. Learn with industry leading trainings. True to its name, the academy is where you go to learn about selling on Amazon. Its library is full of exclusive, up to date and on demand learning to help you succeed on Amazon. Popular features. Point 1. Attend weekly live Q&A season. Q&A means question and answer season. Learn from an 8-figure Amazon seller at your own pace. Third option, get tried and tested tips from real Amazon seller in exclusive bite size tutorials. Wow, sign up. And second, uncover nice products ideas. Looking for a product to sell. Opportunity finder is your idea finding machine. Leveraging keywords search data, you will find Amazon opportunities based on hot niche customers are looking for. Popular features, find cool high values products idea fast. Second, view sale over time and determine seasonality. Option 3, get an opportunity secured from the niche you are exploring. Sign in. Simply sign in. How to create Amazon account in sign in, जो suitable options. Learn with industry leading trainings. Uncover niche products ideas. Simply explosive opportunities and bulk request review. One click product research data while searching Amazon from your Chrome browser. Use extension in seller control central to request review from customers in one click. Popular features, instant Amazon products sale and review data. Track product performance, analyze trades. Option 3, discover competitive market intelligence data. So simply create account and sign up. Go it. Choose the right plan for you. 7-day money back guarantee. Wow. And basic sort professional $29, 49 monthly and 84 professional. That's good. Opportunities Amazon website. So thank you so much for watching my video. and take care. God bless you.